Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can insert icons to Canva. So in Canva, there are some icons pack, maybe not icons pack, but there are some icons that you could insert to complement your design. And those icons are often customizable, meaning that you can change the size, you can change the color of it. And sometimes there are icons with multiple colors that can be customized, which makes the icons even more people prettier, and also you could make it yours. So these are just some examples of icons that I got from Canva, and if you want to get one, you have to go to the element section. And sorry about that. So you will see this section, and you could start typing the kind of icon that you want to insert to your document. Let's say I need some icon to represent money. I'm going to just type money, and you will see there is an option for graphics, photos, videos, audios. But if you want to get a proper icon, usually it can be found in the graphics section. So this is the icon that you could insert to your document. There are many options right here, and you could, for example, you could insert this design. You see, this is just a simple $sign, and when you click on it, you will see there is some customization available. You can change the color to whatever color you find the best, and there is an option to add some border, although I'm not going to use it. There's also corner rounding, but again, this is also not useful for this type of icon. You can crop, you can also, sorry about that, you can also flip it, you can adjust the transparency. So there are many customizations you can apply to this icon. But there's also icon that is colorful. There are some color. You see, this icon has two colors. I can adjust the color of the back. For example, I'm going to change it to maybe more like yellow, and then I'm going to change this $sign to be black. So yeah, that's another example of icons with multiple colors in Canva. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can insert icons in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.